In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your working hours in Kimai. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can quickly confirm how much time you've tracked. Start by opening Kimai. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Dashboard. The dashboard is your at-a-glance home base, and it's where you'll find a quick summary of your time. On the dashboard, locate the section labeled My Working Hours. This area aggregates your tracked time and presents it in a few helpful time ranges. It's designed to answer the most common questions at a glance, like how many hours you've recorded today, how the current week is shaping up, and how your month or year compares. Begin with today. This view shows the total hours you've tracked for the current day only. If you started tracking this morning and paused at lunch, all of that time is rolled up here. For example, you might see today 2 hours, which means you've logged 2 hours so far today. This number updates as you add more entries throughout the day. Next, check calendar week. This view adds up all tracked time from the current calendar week. Depending on your locale or system configuration, the week typically runs from Monday through Sunday. Here, you might see something like week 10 to hours, indicating you've accumulated 10 hours so far this week. It's a great way to gauge how close you are to your weekly target. Move on to month. This summarizes everything you've tracked in the current calendar month. It's helpful for spotting trends, like whether the middle of the month tends to be busier or for preparing a monthly report. The figure updates automatically as you keep working and recording time. Finally, review full year. This is your year-to-date total, giving you the big picture across all months so far. It's especially useful for annual planning, performance reviews, or billing summaries across longer periods. If you compare it with your monthly totals, you'll see how your workload evolves over time. A few quick tips as you review these numbers. Times are typically displayed in hours and minutes, so 2 o'clock means 2 full hours. If a total looks lower or higher than expected, consider whether you're viewing the correct range. Today versus calendar week, for example. Also remember that the dashboard reflects whatever time entries you've already recorded. It's a live snapshot of your data. That's it. Open Kimai, click Dashboard, and read your My Working Hours across today, the calendar week, the month, and the full year. With these views, you can confidently track your progress at any moment.